Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Subaru WRX spark plugs. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a 14mm spark plug socket, preferably a deep, thin-walled magnetic one, along with a ratchet and various extensions. A universal swivel joint is crucial for navigating the tight engine bay. Also, ensure you have 10mm and 12mm sockets for removing coil pack bolts and other components. Before diving in, make sure your WRX engine is completely cool to avoid burns and ensure safe handling. Next, disconnect the negative terminal of your battery to prevent any electrical mishaps during the process. For better access to those tricky spark plugs, you'll need to remove the airbox and carefully unbolt and relocate the ECU. This creates much-needed working room in the cramped engine bay. With access cleared, unbolt and gently remove each ignition coil pack. They might be snug, so a little wiggle helps. Then, using your spark plug socket with extensions and a swivel, carefully loosen and extract the old spark plugs. When installing the new ones, hand tighten them first to prevent cross-threading. Finally, torque them down to 2 foot-pounds or about 1/4 to 1/2 turn past hand tight if you lack a torque wrench. After all new spark plugs are installed, reconnect each ignition coil pack and secure them with their respective bolts. Then, carefully reinstall the airbox and ECU, ensuring all connections are firm. Finally, reconnect your battery's negative terminal. Double-check all hoses and wires before starting your engine. For other great deals and the link to those darn tough socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.